how to change Instagram bio to athlete. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to our profile icon in the bottom until you can see our profile page. From in there, click on the three lines in the upper corner. Then from in there, scroll down until you can see here the option for account type or tools. So you should be able to see it around for professionals right here. Click on this account type and tools. And then for this one, let's head over and click on this switch to professional account. Click on this. Click on continue until you reach the end, and then just choose which one actually describes you. So for example, you can search in here for athlete, and as you can see, here's athlete right here. Head over and click on that. Click on done, and you can also have the option to display this on your profile if you want to as well. So just choose if you're a creator or business. So if you're an athlete, just choose creator. Click on next right here. Click on OK, and then just head over and then answer these things that will appear, and then you can head over and set up your professional account right there. So let me show you my professional account, and as you can see, it's been added in here. So that's the whole process. Hope we helped.